Let's head to the ring now. At least one new promoter of boxing is on a push to revive the sport, starting at the amateur level. And he has reached out to the Jamaica Boxing Association and the G.C. Foster College for help in organizing the first event on Friday, July 31, at the Wintaz Park in Kitson Town, St. Catherine. Denise Walters reports.
Michael Archer, owner of Wintaz Park, believes boxing is losing its importance in the Jamaican sporting landscape, and he's on a one-man mission to change that.
Boxing is such a lovely sport and such an international sport, and a sport that Jamaicans at large love. But what happened now, the boxing industry dying out in Jamaica. We don't hear nothing more about boxing. So I decided to help to promote boxing back in Jamaica.
Archer says the aim is to start out slowly at first and gradually progress.
And we're going to start with the amateurs. So we have amateur boxing starting next Friday night, the 31st of July, and then we take it from there.
The fight night is sanctioned by the Jamaica Boxing Board.
And actually reach out to the more technical persons and the technical team, and also the international body that control boxing, local body and the international body that control boxing, especially here in Jamaica. So as a result of that, along with myself, the technical crew from G.C. Foster, and also other stakeholders that want to be a part of it. And we decide to start back promoting boxing. And we want to the fact that I have the grounds here at Wintaz Park.
We have reached out to the Jamaica Boxing Board to supply the relevant officials to cover the event for us and make sure that we are within the standards that govern the industry.
Athletics Director at G.C. Foster College, Chester McCarthy, is chairman of the local organizing committee.
G.C. Foster is a sporting organization. And so as an individual, as a sporting administrator at the college, I was approached to give assistance in promoting and organizing this boxing event. And I had no hesitation in doing so, because I know we are more than capable to lend our skills to this, and it is a worthy cause.
The push is to help grow boxing in the parish.
While this is a smaller event, we are looking to bring at least 8 to 10 fights on the night here at Wintaz Park as a teaser for the bigger competitions you would have heard Mr. Archer spoke about earlier.
The fight gets underway at 7 p.m. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.